Hi, very warm welcome to another video. In this video, I will be talking about the all of this free upcoming workshop and seminars and all their essential details and how you can register for this workshop and seminars. So please do make sure to watch this video from start to end. Before starting this video, I just want to introduce about our team. We are the team of researchers who are helping the all kind of learners and researchers in their academic and scientific journey. So here in this very new channel, we upload a various video on various opportunity from workshop to scholarship and various things. If you are new here, so please do to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any updates. And also I do recommend you to follow our LinkedIn page and LinkedIn group and also Twitter and Instagram page to get daily update on various opportunity from the PhD position to GRA position to workshop, seminar, conferences, and many things. And we also collaborate with various institutions and also various organizing meeting to offer you for free passes. So please do follow us on these social media platforms to get a daily update on that things. Now coming to the video, all the link to everything I have mentioned in this video, you will find the link in the description box. And also I will attach some of the additional link for other additional free workshop and events. So please make sure to check out that links below. And also do make sure to check out the comment box to know more about upcoming videos. Now coming to the first event workshop, that is not a workshop, it is a hackathon, 2020 hackathon organized by MHRD and various institute across the India. If you're not enrolled for this event, so please do make sure to enroll for this event. This the various lecture have been organized on this event. You can find their video recording on their MHRD YouTube channels. They are very informative videos on various drug docking and discovery things. If you want to register for this upcoming session, so go to first link. There you can find the all information regarding this hackathons. So you scroll down to know more about these hackathons and their organizing committee and partner institutes and the eligibility team members and various necessary information. You can register for this workshop, this hackathon. It is it is free. The benefit of registering for this hackathon is that you will get access to various docking systems and softwares which is actually do cost, but the participant will get a free access for 1 to 2 months for those softwares. So please do register for this hackathons to learn more about the uh, duck docking. Now coming to the second workshop, which is on scientific writing and research ethics for veterinary and animal science community. If you are a life science student and veterinary and animal science student, then I do recommend you to join this workshop. This is very informative workshop. There will be total three session on basic scientific writing and structuring your manuscript. Then second in on ethics in research and communication, and there the third session will be on career in veterinary and animal sciences. So I do recommend every students to join this workshop. The date of this workshop is 14th of August. And to register for this workshop, you can scan this QR code or directly click here. Once you have completed their registrations, you will get an confirmation email from India Alliance DBT Welcome Trust. So go and register for this workshop. If you miss this workshop date, then don't worry. The India Alliance DBT Welcome Trust do organize similar kind of workshop every month. So please go to their website and check for events, or you can find their workshop updates on various platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Now coming to the third workshop. If you are interested in grant writings and to learn more about their fundamentals and various tips, then I do recommend this workshop, very informative workshops organized by the sign in IIT Bombay. You can find the all specific details regarding these workshops and the about the organizing committee and the host. And to register for this workshop, you have to just fill this Google Doc form, and then you have to submit your application. Then you will get a confirmation mail from the sign organizing committee. If you are interested in the entrepreneurship, then I do recommend to join this 6 month workshop, free workshop. Click on the link provided in description box. This, as you can see, this workshop is the duration of this workshop is 6 months, but you don't have to sit every day for this specific things. There will be only one session per month, so you have to attend a session in a month. To register for this workshop, you have to just fill this form, and then you will get a confirmation mail from the organizing team. Please do join this informative workshop. Now coming to the next workshop, which is not just a single workshop, it is a bundle of the workshop where you will learn about the storytelling, communicating social impact, branding, collaborations, and also how you can utilize social media and how you can master your marketing skill on social media and thing. So, want to know about the registration process? So, I have already uploaded a video about this workshop, on 1 week workshop organized by Canva. So, please do check out that video. I have provided the link in description box and all. Now coming to the CV writing workshop by Ethios Jobs. So here you will learn the basic structure of CV and the tools and various techniques to design your and write your CV, and how to structure your CV specific for a specific kind of job and a specific kind of position. You can learn more about their events to join to register for this specific workshop. You have to just click here, and then you have to fulfill their registration form. Event on is on innovation ethics by Ideatrix. If you are innovator or if you are working in translational research, then I do recommend to join this workshop because you will learn about more about the innovation ethics and various things. If you want to know more about such kind of things like innovation ethics and collaborations, and various additional skills, so do check out the other video, this researcher academy video on this channel. I have provided the link in description box or also in suggestion, so please make sure to check out that video to know more about their courses, and which is free and certificated courses. So do check out that video. To register for this specific workshop, please click on apply, and then you have to fill a form which includes your names and email ID and the personal information. And I also do recommend their to check out their courses on various topics. So let's go and check out. Now coming to the seminar and talk series, upcoming seminar talk series. The first talk is on confocal microscopy and their application in life science, which is organized by Manipal University Bioincubator Club. Event is on the bioproduction, which is the fifth bioproduction congress, and here you can find the all about the agendas there and the event details, and this is a free which will be held on online, mostly via um, Zoom. So you can see the details and the host of this event and the various about the researcher. To register for this event, you can click on directly register now, and that's it. If you're working in the life science stream and if you're a student of life science, then I do recommend to join this sister life science across the global sister institute seminar series. This is one of the biggest seminar series in with related to life science, where various researchers from five continents, from North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and India. They will discuss their ideas and their research work, as you can see here. So please do register for this. And if you this informative session and various talks due to any reasons, then you can access those videos recordings of those lectures and talks in this page, and also you can access the video recording on their YouTube channel, that is the HHMI YouTube channel. I do recommend you to join this session, and that's is all for today in this video. So I do recommend you to check out the other playlist in this channel, so you to know more about the various opportunities from like individual fellowships and workshop and free courses, certificated programs, and many things. And I also do check out our social media handles to get daily update on various things. And if you find this video informative, then do like this video, and also make sure to subscribe these channels, and also let other know about this channel and our social media pages, so they will also get benefited from our contents. And do comment your suggestion on what kind of topic you want such kind of video, uh, and your suggestion and various things. So please to keep coming back to our channel, and thank you for watching this video.